Hi guys, JD Cap 26, Trips and Repairs, and we're outside here and we're looking at a brook. Actually a dried up brook, pretty much down to the level of the groundwater, and kind of swampy looking. It goes all the way back there, in there, into the back. I guess what happens is we haven't had much rain here, and they also drain the brook so it doesn't come up and affect where I live, because it's pretty, gets pretty high. About, I would say, where those white birch right there is, goes all the way back to there. And there's a pipe here, and this pipe here down here, it gets submerged. So it comes up about 4 or 5 feet. Can be dangerous. You gotta keep away from it. All that's mucky. And we do have some ducks in there. And they come through the back, through the swamp. And pretty interesting. And it's quite a natural habitat to see this. Nice to get outside. And there's a little pine there right in front of us. So I don't think there's any fish, but I'm sure there's frogs and turtles in there somewhere back there. So there we have it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video, this little excursion. Just show you around. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Make sure you get outside, enjoy the fresh air, and rate and subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our new videos.